we're just installing some gutter guards. First, we're cleaning out the gutters really good. You know, it's snowing today, but we're here, going to get the job done and going to do a good job. Everything will be installed anytime, any weather. Property Wizard, always the best. Now Jacob and I are going to take some measurements, make sure that we will cut them to size of the gutter. Gutters have to be measured before we install the gutter guard so they fit tightly. Have tons of clients that love these gutter guards.
Oh,
these are Gutter Glove Pro.
Specific.
Yeah, these are very high-end gutter guards with aluminum framing and mesh. So we'll be installing these bad boys. 40-year warranty. This is what's been done with the gutter guards, professionally installed, looking all nice and beautiful. Of course there's a leaf here already, but we will clean this up before we head out. Property Wizard, anytime, any weather, always the best.